All right, guys, I am going to show you just like quick little tutorial on how you can pose somebody who has never modeled before or who is not a model. I have Andrea here, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna give you quick 3 tips that you can use on your next photo shoot. So I found this little area with, I like to utilize something, to make the photos a little bit more prettier. So that's one tip, is utilize something, a really pretty backdrop. These actually like complement your cheeks a little bit because of your makeup. So you're gonna hold just what you were doing, maybe hold that one. I always like my model to like hold on to something. So she has the flowers here, but what I would do is don't have your hands so separated. It's a little bit more elegant when you can bring your hands a little bit more closer to the body. Maybe bring your hands even closer, almost like to the face or even down to that's pretty, yeah, looking down. And then you can turn a little bit more toward me, like your whole body. Yes, that's good. Turn your face a little bit more closer to me. I'm gonna step back more, I want more blur. That's perfect, yep. Love that. And let's see if we can maybe just get a little bit more florals in the face. Yeah, actually I like that, where you're holding it and then just bring them like almost like really close to your face. Pay attention to the hand posture. So the hands need to always look very soft. We don't want them stiff, just very angelic. So that's super important. I always use that trick and it works every time. Yeah, these are really pretty. Let's come over here too. So another thing that I do that really helps is I'll even like show my model, like myself, how to pose. That usually helps because sometimes it's hard to explain. So, I'll take these branches and I'll kind of, position. So basically what I would do is like take that one side and almost like I would bring it even closer to
this left side right here.
I think so. Let's try that, yeah. You can go ahead and move the body. That's perfect. That's great. Love these.
This is AI.
I'm going to also put this in front of my lens as a little, like just add like a pink effect. And I feel like that will give it more. Make sure you get me with the flare a little. Get it more in the body. Cute. Yeah, from the other side, yes. This hand I feel like is bending too much. So bring it more like this or in front, like that. Yes. So yeah, make sure also you guys pay attention to that, how when the hand did that, it's not as flattering. So that's perfect, yep. Beautiful. But yeah, these look great. I'm gonna get your boots in this one. This is such a pretty area. The last tip is going to be where I have the model literally moving her entire body. So you're gonna show a little bit more motion. You can kind of fling the plant around if you wanted to, up and down. So just give me more motion, okay? I would take kind of the branch, maybe bring it down lower. Yeah, and then with the other hand, you can even hold onto your skirt and kind of flare it out, just back and forth. Yes, that's great. Awesome. You're doing so great. She's doing really good for a first timer. Okay. So So those are the quick little tips and tricks that you can use on your next model who is not a model. Very easy to do. It really helps, especially if they're a new client. If you enjoyed watching this content, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video.